Madrid is known for its vibrant culture, stunning architecture, and world-class art. But nestled in the heart of this bustling city is an enchanting escape, El Retiro Park. Covering more than 125 hectares, this lush green space offers a refreshing retreat from the urban hustle. Whether you're looking to soak up nature, explore historical landmarks, or simply relax by the lakeside, El Retiro has something for everyone. Stay until the end of our video for an insider's guide with helpful tips and practical information on how to make the most of your visit. El Retiro is more than just a park. It's a UNESCO World Heritage Site filled with centuries-old history. Originally designed as a royal garden for King Philip IV in the 17th century, this magnificent park was later opened to the public in the late 1800s. Today, it stands as one of the most popular attractions in Madrid, drawing tourists and locals alike. One of the first things visitors will notice when entering El Retiro is the diversity of plant life. The park is home to over an estimated 15,000 trees, including towering pines, fragrant magnolias, and elegant cypresses. It's the perfect place for a leisurely stroll along tree-lined paths or a quiet afternoon of people watching. One of the most iconic landmarks in the park is the Grand Pond. This large artificial lake is a hub of activity where you can rent a rowboat and enjoy peaceful moments on the water while taking in views of the grand monument to Alfonso the Pitanin, an impressive semicircular colonnade and statue that towers over the pond. Whether you're an avid photographer or just want to relax in the heart of nature, this spot offers some of the best views in the park. The Crystal Palace is another must-see attraction. This stunning glass structure was built in 1887 as a greenhouse for exotic plants from the Philippines, which was then a Spanish colony. Today it houses contemporary art exhibitions and is surrounded by a peaceful pond filled with turtles and ducks. The palace is a favorite spot for photographers and Instagrammers thanks to the way sunlight streams through its glass panels, creating a magical, almost ethereal atmosphere. Next to the Crystal Palace is the Palacio de Velázquez, another exhibition hall that hosts rotating art exhibits. Both palaces, run by the Reina Sofia Museum, offer free entry, making them an affordable way to experience Madrid's vibrant art scene. For visitors interested in history, El Retiro also holds many historical treasures. El Retiro is not just about nature and history. It's also a cultural hub. Throughout the year, the park hosts events, performances, and street musicians who provide a lively soundtrack for your visit. One of the most popular events is the book fair, Feria del Libro, held annually in late May and early June. If you're a book lover, this is a fantastic time to visit the park, as the fair draws writers, publishers, and book enthusiasts from all over Spain and beyond. For families, El Retiro is a dream destination. The park has several playgrounds where children can burn off energy, as well as open spaces perfect for picnics. On weekends, the area near the pond comes alive with puppet shows, clowns, and magicians, creating a fun and festive atmosphere for younger visitors. One of the unique features of El Retiro is its rose garden, a beautifully manicured garden filled with over an estimated 4,000 roses. Visitors can wander through the rose-covered arches, taking in the vibrant colors and sweet fragrances. If you're visiting in late spring or early summer, when the roses are in full bloom, this part of the park is a must-see. El Retiro Park is so vast that it's easy to spend hours exploring its many nooks and crannies. One hidden gem is the Parterre Francis, a French-style formal garden that boasts the oldest tree in Madrid. This enormous bold cypress, known as the Cypress Calvo, is believed to be over 400 years old and stands as a living testament to the park's long history. For a quieter experience, head to the Jardín de Cecilio Rodríguez, a secluded garden named after the Spanish landscaper who redesigned this area in the 20th century. With its charming pergolas, fountains, and peacocks roaming freely, this garden feels like a secret retreat within the larger park. It's an ideal spot for a quiet afternoon of reading or reflection. If you're a fan of the stars, don't miss the Royal Astronomical Observatory, located on the park's southern edge. Though not technically within El Retiro itself, it's just a short walk from the park and offers a fascinating look at Spain's contributions to the field of astronomy. El Retiro Park is a paradise for outdoor enthusiasts. Joggers and cyclists will love the park's wide, flat paths, which provide plenty of space for exercise. If you're feeling adventurous, try renting a bike or a Segway to explore more of the park's extensive grounds. For those who prefer a slower pace, El Retiro offers plenty of opportunities to relax and unwind. Many visitors bring blankets and snacks for a leisurely picnic, while others enjoy practicing yoga or Tai Chi in the open green spaces. On sunny days, it's common to see groups of friends playing soccer or frisbee, while solo visitors can often be found reading or sketching under the shade of a tree. The park's Forest of Remembrance is a more somber yet poignant attraction. This memorial garden was planted in honor of the victims of the 2004 Madrid train bombings and offers a tranquil space for reflection. The forest contains 192 olive and cypress trees, one for each of the victims, and is a peaceful place to pay respects and contemplate. During the summer months, the park becomes a venue for outdoor concerts and performances. The bandstand near the main lake often hosts live music from classical to contemporary, while other areas of the park feature impromptu street performances. If you're lucky, you might catch a free concert or theatrical performance during your visit. Before planning your visit, it's essential to know a few key details to make the most of your trip to El Retiro Park. The park is open year-round, but the hours vary depending on the season. From April to September, El Retiro is open from 6 a.m. to midnight, allowing visitors to enjoy the park's beauty during the warm evenings. During the winter months, October to March, the park closes slightly earlier, at 10 p.m. El Retiro Park is free to enter, and many of its attractions, including the Crystal Palace and Palacio de Velázquez, also offer free entry. However, some events, such as certain art exhibitions, may require tickets, so it's a good idea to check ahead if you're interested in a specific exhibition. If you're looking to explore beyond the park's natural beauty, guided tours are available. These tours often provide insights into the history and hidden stories of El Retiro, giving you a deeper appreciation of this Madrid treasure. Bike and Segway rentals are available near the entrances, and rowboats can be rented at the Grand Pond for a small fee. El Retiro is easily accessible by public transportation. The closest metro stations are Retiro, Line 2, and Atocha, Line 1, both of which are within walking distance of the park's entrances. Buses also stop nearby, making it convenient to reach from anywhere in Madrid. If you're planning to spend a day at the park, consider bringing a picnic or grabbing a snack from one of the nearby cafes or vendors. However, there are also several kiosks within the park where you can buy ice cream, drinks, and light snacks. These are especially welcome on hot summer days when you need a cool treat to beat the heat. El Retiro Park is more than just a green space in Madrid. It's a living, breathing part of the city's culture and history. Whether you're visiting for the art, the history, the natural beauty, or just a relaxing day outdoors, El Retiro offers an unforgettable experience. From its majestic monuments and serene gardens to its vibrant cultural scene, the park has something to offer every visitor. So, when you're in Madrid, make sure to carve out some time to explore El Retiro Park. Whether you're rowing on the lake, enjoying a live concert, or simply soaking up the sun in a peaceful garden, you'll leave with memories of a truly magical place that feels worlds away from the bustling city streets. We hope you enjoyed our video. Thanks for watching,